Want to create Montessori printables without the hassle? You can now generate 26-page professional Montessori-style printables in seconds using just one simple prompt. I have a secret others don't know yet. Stop losing your evenings to design fatigue. With the Montessori School Empire, you can skip the tedious manual work. Just paste a prompt and watch as a complete, consistent packet is generated for you in a fraction of the time. Forget the design gap. Whether you're a designer or not, our system handles the layout and illustration for you. Save time, stop overpaying for freelance work, and get 546 starting points at your fingertips. Here is how it works. Copy a prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. Hint, I will show you a better workflow in my bonus, and use the provided blueprint to create your pages. It handles titles, SEO keywords, and visual styles so you can focus on publishing. In just one afternoon, you can create and assemble your materials. Simply paste your prompts one by one, export your files as PDFs, and list your new products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon KDP. My bonus workflow ends that tedious one-by-one production roadblock. Your library includes 546 ready-to-copy prompts across 42 different categories. Each category covers diverse age groups and subjects, ensuring you have content for every need. Inside the library, everything is organized into 7 strategic groups. Each category features 13 prompts, giving you the cover and a complete set of worksheets to launch a new product quickly. This is perfect for Etsy sellers, Amazon KDP publishers, homeschool parents, and educators looking to save time. It's designed to help you build a catalog efficiently, though it still requires your own review and assembly. Format matters. Selling a full, cohesive 26-page packet allows you to command better value compared to single-page listings, helping you position your work as a premium educational resource. Your purchase includes valuable bonuses. Learn the one-click creation method to build workbooks instantly, and get our local marketing leverage report to help you find success outside of crowded marketplaces. Get everything today at a special launch price. You'll receive the complete 546 prompt library, our one-click creation secrets, and the local marketing guide. Scale your empire with our evergreen ecosystem. We offer multiple upsells, including specialized prompt vaults for faith-based packets, math, and literacy, allowing you to build your catalog for years to come. We offer a 14-day guarantee. Have questions? Yes, you can use these without design experience, and you can definitely sell what you create on any major publishing platform. Picture yourself next month with a growing catalog and consistent sales. With 546 prompts at your disposal and the upsell potential at your fingertips, you can transform your workflow and stop opening blank pages forever. Get instant access now and start creating beautiful Montessori printables today. Click the link provided to join the community.